Hi guys, welcome to WebSense Pro. Welcome to another video and welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add custom product options on your Shopify store. And you should be asking yourself, why do you need custom product options? So let me tell you why. So as you can see on my screen, I have this t-shirt products on my store, and it has this file upload field and this material field where they can choose which material they want this product from. And we have also an option to add custom label. So you will not be able to add these fields with Shopify backend. You'll need to add some custom code, and we have created a very useful tool for you guys in order to create these custom codes and add it to your product page. So we have this Shopify UI element generator, and it's a free tool available. I'll put the link in the YouTube video description so you guys can easily select which field you want to add. If you want to add short text to your product page, if you want to add long text field, file upload, checkbox, radio button, drop down, date. So you can add these fields to your product page very easily. You have option here. So for example, if you want to add file upload field, you have the field preview showing up here and the liquid code showing below. So all you have to do is generate the field. So for example, if you want to add file upload field and you want a label, so for example, upload your logo, you can see that code is updating itself automatically where you have the liquid code showing below. And you can also make this upload field required by clicking on this checkbox. So if you check this and add this liquid code to your theme, you will be able to add upload field as a required field. So you can either add it as an optional field or you can add it as required field, just like I have this on my product page here, right? So if I need to add in the file upload, if I need to select, if I need to add in any field which says material or custom label, I can easily add it super easily. All I have to do is just copy and paste the code by this code generator tool to my Shopify theme settings. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first, let me show you how it's going to work. So for example, if I select polyester, add in any label to my custom label field, and then I click on add to cart, it's giving me an error that please select a file. The reason why it's giving me an error because I have added this field as a required field, not optional field. So if I upload any file and then click on add to cart, you can see that all these fields are showing up on cart. So I have material showing up, I have label showing up, I have file upload field showing up. Now, if I click on checkout, you can see that all these three fields are showing up. So that's why you need custom product options field on your Shopify store if you are creating a customized product. And you don't need to install any app for that. You don't need to pay for any Shopify app subscription. The code is available on this tool for free. I'll put the link in the video description so you can easily find that tool. You don't need to search in Google for that. So first, what I'm going to do, I'll show you guys how you can install one of the field, and then I'll also create several other videos on based on this tool on how you can create different types of field. So without further ado, let's get into the Shopify backend where I will show you guys how you can add these custom product option fields on your Shopify store. Okay guys, so first what I'm going to do, I'll go to the Shopify backend and install Fresh Dawn theme. So you guys can see it's working on the latest version. It's working completely fine. So let's go to the backend of my development store. Okay, here's how the backend of your Shopify development store looks like. Click on online store. And here I have this latest version Dawn 12.0.0 where I've already added the fields. Now what I'm going to do, I'll install a fresh theme in order to show you guys how you can do that from the scratch. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is just add in custom liquid code block, which I'm going to show you how. So just install the latest version, scroll down below, and here we have Dawn theme. And I'm going to click on this add button. Okay, our Fresh Dawn 12.0.0 has been installed. Now I'm going to click on publish. Click on publish again. And now let's preview this. Going to close the old tab. And if we go to that product, which is the t-shirt product, we can see that we do not have any custom product options showing up. I'm gonna show you how you can first add the file upload field. Now all you have to do is just go to customize. You don't need to add the code in any liquid file. You can simply add it via customize setting. So click on customize. And now we will click on this drop down and then click on products. And we have one product template, which is called default product. Okay, we are on our default product template. Now we will go to our Shopify UI element generator. And if we want to add in the file upload field, let's select the file upload field, name your field whatever you want. I have it upload your logo. You can add in anything, your custom upload field. Okay, we have the preview of this field. So that's how the field will look like. And that's the liquid code generated below that. Now just click on copy code and then add in the block. Click on add block here on your default product template. And here we have an option to add in custom liquid. And click on custom liquid again. Now we will paste the code which we copied from our Shopify UI element generator. Paste the code. And now just wait for a bit. Now as you can see, your field is showing up. Now we can simply drag and drop wherever we want. We can add it below price, or let's add it below price. Yeah. And here we go. Our upload custom field is showing up. Now let's check if it's working properly. I'm going to click on save. And then let's preview the field. Click on these three small dots and then click on view. And let's go back to that product. And here we have our upload field showing up. Click on choose file and upload any file to test it out if it's working. Click on add to cart. And then click on checkout. You can see it's showing up completely fine on cart. And now it's showing on my checkout page as well. So that's the old product which we had in our cart. So let's remove that and test it out again. So I'm going to delete the older versions and then add the product back to the cart again to see if it's working properly. Upload the file and then click on add to cart. And as you can see, my custom upload field is uploading the file to the cart. And now if I click on checkout, you can see that it's showing up on checkout as well. One thing to note here is that it's not gonna work. The required field option is not gonna work if you have buy button. So if they click on buy button, the product will automatically be on the checkout without these fields. So just like I have this buy now button, and now when I click on this button, so if I remove the file, just refresh for now. And if I click on add to cart, you can see it's giving me an error that please select a file because I have added this field as a required field. But when I click on buy it now button, it takes directly to the checkout without this field option. So that's the missing functionality, which is not existing in the Shopify yet. So you'll have to remove the buy it now button if you want this field to be required for your user. Okay. And now similarly, we can add in the other fields, and that's the checkbox to make your field required. So let's try in adding the date field. So we have option to select minimum and maximum date. Oops, there's a typo in here, which I'm gonna fix after this video. So that's our date field, and we can custom date field, and our liquid code is showing up here. And now just copy the code and paste in the code again to our liquid, custom liquid. You can add this code below that, or you can add another custom liquid block for that, right? So I'm just going to paste the code, and you can see that my custom date field is showing up fine. Now let's click save and preview that one as well. Click on these three small dots and then click on view. Go back to that product and let's add in any date. Then click on select the upload field as well, and then click on add to cart. And as you can see, we have date showing up, we have custom upload file showing up, and if we click on checkout, it's showing completely fine. Now you must be thinking that what if you want these fields to show up on specific product? What if you don't want these fields to show up on all of the products of your store? So currently it's set up in a way that it will show up on all of the products. So for example, if I go to the secondary, the other product which I have on my store, so I have this hat product on this development store, you can see all of these fields are showing up on that product as well. Now what if you want these fields to show up only on one single product? Now what if I want to add these fields only on my t-shirt product? Now there are two ways to do that. One way is to add an if condition. Now I'll simply wrap this code within the if condition. So I'll just add in some liquid code. If product dot title contains shirt, and then I'm going to end my if below that code. So I'll have to wrap this within an if field. And now this code will show up on all of the product where title contains shirt, right? Now let's save and visit the hat product and wait for it to save. Okay, it's saved. Now if I hit refresh on this product, you can see that the custom product options field which I added are no longer showing up. Now let's go to the t-shirt product. Let's open these two products in new tab. So I have this hat without any custom product options field and this t-shirt products with the fields which I have added using custom liquid. That's one way to do that. There's another way where you can create a separate template for that. Let me show you how you can do that. So let's go back to customize and then click on products from this drop down and then click on create template. And here we can name our template whatever we want. Let's name it shirt products. So what I can do, I'll apply this template to all of the products in my store where we have t-shirts or shirts on the products, right? So just click on create template. And now we have custom liquid on our shirt products template. Let's remove it from the default product. So I'm removing the custom liquid from my default product template. And now I'm going to assign the t-shirt product template to my t-shirt product. How can I do that? So let's go back to the store, click on products, and then click on my t-shirt product. Scroll down. And here I have option to assign the template. Now let's add in, select the template which we created, which is shirt products, and then click on save. And now when we preview this product, we have these custom fields showing up and it's not going to show up on any other products which has default product selected. So that's it for the video, guys. In this video, I showed you guys how you can create custom product option fields on your Shopify product page without any Shopify app, without any subscription burden to your Shopify store. So if you like the video, don't forget to comment on the video below. Let me know what more you would like to learn in Shopify. I'll definitely create more content for you guys. Until next video, Have a great day.